Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is my 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the ignition coil. A bad ignition coil can cause your engine to misfire, have a rough idle, or lose power, and it may or may not trigger the check engine light in the process. This is a pretty simple job, but you need to make sure that the other components in the ignition system are in good shape first. A faulty distributor, spark plugs, or wires can cause the ignition coil to fail prematurely. I'm replacing mine today because my Jeep has idling issues. I'll just tell you now that replacing the ignition coil didn't solve the idling problem for me, but you'll see that it was definitely due for a replacement, and yours might be too. The ignition coil is pretty easy to reach right on the front of the engine, but I'm going to remove the battery to make it even easier, and so you can see what I'm doing. Here are the tools that I used for this job. 12mm wrench, socket wrench, 1/4 inch socket, Phillips screwdriver bit number 3, and this magnetic flexible stick thing came in pretty handy because I kept dropping the stupid screwdriver bit. If you decide to leave the battery in place, you should still disconnect it while working on anything electrical. To remove the ignition coil, I'll start by pulling the wire off the top. There's also an electrical connection you'll need to pull off the bottom of the coil. I couldn't get a screwdriver to fit in this tight spot, so I attached the screwdriver bit to a wrench with a 1/4 inch socket. There are just 2 screws to remove, and the ignition coil should come right out. Here's the old ignition coil. And here's the new one. Installation is just everything in reverse. Start by mounting the new coil with the 2 screws. Clip in the connection at the bottom. Then replace the wire on top. Now just reconnect the battery, and we're done. That concludes this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and until next time, just keep throwing money at it.